What's going on, everybody? I just got my truck washed and I was looking at it, and I think it's from that beet juice rind garbage that they put on the road around here in Kentucky to keep the roads from snow sticking to them or whatever. But this truck's got like little yellowish orange spots all over it, like little tiny, like, I don't know, 3-4 millimeter little dots. See if you can see them here. And they're like yellow. Here's one right there. One there. Here. One there. There. They're all over it, like here, there. I started cleaning this side off with the clay bars. The only way I could figure to get it off. Does anybody know of a way to do it and get it off? This is over here in the sun. I mean, they're all over this thing here. There. I mean, they're just all over the place. I mean, golly. I mean, I'm not pointing out all of them. There's a lot of spots on here. I'm gonna have to clay bar the whole truck. If anybody knows a better way to get these spots off, let me know. I wonder if ceramic coating would make it come off easy. My buddy Jeff at Blackjack is supposed to ceramic coat this thing when he gets not busy. So, let me know if you know how to get these spots off. I mean, the clay bar thing goes pretty quick. Just spray I was wiping it off with this first, and then spraying this on it. Get it pretty wet. Kind of get a newer spot on the clay bar, and I mean, that's how fast it comes off. But you just got to do almost the whole damn truck. Like when you do the truck, I mean, it's nasty looking. And then just wipe it off again. It's not the end of the world, but it's not something that I want to do. Clay bar this whole truck. It's only a year old. Yeah, the other thing I was going to talk about was I got this Molle panel deal from Amazon. My truck's kind of a mess anyway, but this thing, go around the other side. It looks pretty cool, but it's very flimsy, and I'll put it up on the screen what it is exactly if anybody's interested in it. But to be honest with you, I don't think I'd buy it again. I mean, it's flimsy. I put some little brackets there on the floor to kind of it's not doing anything what I'm put down there, but I mean, it was like, I think it was $75 for both of these. But I mean, like I said, it looks way better than it is. So, yeah, That junk is on my tailgate too. I don't know why they got to put that crap on the roads. I mean, the paint feels pretty good after you do that on it, but I gotta clean this truck up, man. It's been one thing after another with the weather around here. Today it's 50 or it's 55. Tomorrow's supposed to be 75, and then Monday is supposed to be in the 30s, and Tuesday in 20s and snow, and then by the end of the week it's supposed to be back up to in the 50s again. So the weather here is crazy. But anyways, I really like this truck. It's got 26,000 miles on it. Got a nice chip right there in the hood though. Yeah, good truck so far. Let me know about the yellowish orange spots or whatever the heck color them things are. If anybody's got those around here, and how you get them off. Oh, I got a sticker made. So I need to put one in my truck somewhere. Anyways, yeah, let me know how you clean your truck. Okay, cleaned off my bumper, and I got my sticker on here now. So yeah, I definitely got to get some touch-up paint for this thing, and I want to get it ceramic coated, I think. So maybe the crap won't stick to it. Alright, I finally got this thing done. It's not what I wanted to spend my Saturday doing, but it does look a lot better. I guess you should do the clay bar thing to them once a year anyway. But this thing's got a couple of chips in it. Right there. One in the hood there. Another one here. So, yeah, I put this hood protector thing on there. I think that probably helped. There's a couple of chips in the bumper too. I gotta get some touch-up paint. But it looks pretty good now. And I got all them spots off of it. So that wasn't too bad, but yeah. So that clay bars I was using, you can see it. It gets kind of contaminated and you just kind of spin it around. But I'm throwing this one away. It's got a lot of crap in it. But I don't know. Probably should take two of the small bars and do this truck. So I'm not telling you how to clean your truck by any means, but that's how I did it. So if anybody knows a better way, like I said before, let me know. And subscribe to the channel. Check out our other YouTube channel, Behind the Bars 859 Motorcycle channel. And catch you on the next one.